Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to freeze panes in Excel on desktop or laptop. Alright guys, so let's get into the video. But before that, please check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So let's get started. I already have my Microsoft Excel opened, so I have a blank sheet. Here I have a blank worksheet. So how can you freeze panes in Microsoft? Make sure your Microsoft is activated. When your Microsoft is activated, when you have an activated Microsoft, you have access to all the functionalities and settings and modifications you can find. All right, so simply head over to the view. It's the tab at the top of your screen. So where we have view here, it's in between review and help. And underneath freeze panes, click on this. You're going to find an option to freeze panes. That's keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls. We have freeze top row. That's only the top row will be frozen. Keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet, and then freeze first column. So let's go with freeze first column. And as you can see here, while you scroll through the worksheet, you have the first column not even moving at all. You just have the first column just frozen. And if you were to click on freeze paint again and select freeze top row, you'll notice that the top row does not move, it does not change all the way from 14 down to 38. You can see the top row does not move. And then if you select on freeze panes, you can remove that feature, you can remove it. And then if you click on freeze panes, you can freeze exactly where you highlighted on the entire document. Alright guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Leave a like, comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this.